Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you these grab bags I bought at Micheals today. Now I do have to say that I believe the reason why I was able to find so many is because I'm in Florida, and these past, as you can see if you've heard the news, these past few days, well since last week, we were preparing for a hurricane, which thankfully Florida was not impacted directly. Unfortunately, it did hit the Bahamas, so my heart really goes out to the Bahamas. I used to live in South Florida when Andrew hit in '95, and that was not nice. It was not pleasant, so my heart really goes to them. So I wanted to check out my local Micheals. I had to run an errand today, and I was close to a Micheals, and I honestly thought I wasn't going to find anything because I'm like, I never find really grab bags, to be honest with you. I always, if I'm lucky, I find one, which I'm still shocked because there were so many in that basket, unless if they just placed them out, but I don't think so. Honestly, think it's because of the hurricane. People were just, of course, occupied with, much more important things like preparing their homes and just getting their home ready and getting all the necessary essentials. So I was able to grab these three, and again, there were plenty more there, but I didn't want to grab more. I figured three's enough. And let's open these up and see what it's all about. Now I gotta give it to this Micheals. This Micheals, because the other Micheals I go to, they don't double bag. But this one had double bag or triple bag, and it was so neat. All those grab bags were so neatly compacted and they weren't falling apart, because my other Micheals, it's like when they do their grab bags, it's like they just put one bag and everything's just falling apart and it's a big mess. So I got, this looks like it's, graph paper. Perfect. This will help my daughter who's in algebra right now. Excellent. And this could also be good to make also like notebooks, traveler's notebooks. Some inserts. This is pretty cool. So 2 graph papers for bullet journaling too. Perfect. I don't know what this is. So these are artist markers. They must be the big tip. This is pretty neat too. My kids will really like this as well. This color looks like it's an orange. And I also got a pink. Pretty cool. So far, I like what I see. Let's see what else is in here. There's tons of paper. Wow, look at all this paper. Look how many sheets I have in here. Lots of paper. This is the same kind, so it's like a wood grain. Flowers. Oh, this is nice. This is nice and thick. It's cardstock. And donuts. More donuts. That's pretty cool. That's a good score for paper, markers, and graph paper. Let's open up the next one. Now, they did have the bags with lots of flowers, silk flowers. I am not purchasing silk flowers. It's great if you're into making wreaths or home decor with silk flowers. I personally had no interest in it, so I didn't grab any of those bags. I just went strictly to these bags. I figured maybe there's journals in here. I could do some stuff with scrapbooking. So this is exactly where I went to the bags that were flat. I did not look for the bags that were stuffed with flowers, which some of them had, I think, baskets. And some of it was actually home decor. There were signs and mirrors. So if you're looking for some home decor, there were some in those grab bags too. And there were some that weren't even in grab bags. They were just in the basket saying $4. So that was pretty cool too. Oh, this is beautiful paper. So it's more paper. Gorgeous. Oh, I like these patterns. This is like a baby. White baby girl. Cute. So pretty. So it's multiple sheets of the same pattern. Yeah. And then more donuts. Wow, I have tons of donuts. Pretty cool too. more markers. This one is red. Oh, so this is what the point is. It's 8mm. This one is white. This is great for lettering. I wish I knew how to do much lettering. I really don't do much of that, but that's fine. And then more graph paper. That's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen this brand, but then again, maybe I've never paid attention. All right, so let's check the last bag, which I have a feeling there's gonna be more markers and paper. We'll see. If it is, it's okay. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera. And sure enough, more markers. Wow. Another red, another white. This one is a gold. And I really want to play with these markers. And green and blue. This one is another pad of graph paper. Oh, and we got a journal this one. Oh, neat. Awesome. Got a journal. Also with graph for bullet style journaling. Beautiful. Now I did see one grab bag with a few happy planners. So if you're into the happy planners, you might want to check that out. I didn't pick it because it was dated. I really have no desire for dated material. I like just undated stuff. And here's more paper. Soccer. The same little bunnies. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful flag. Oh, I love this. Soccer. And more of that little cute paper. All right. Well, I feel pretty good. This was a good deal. $12 I spent in 3 bags, and this is all I got. So this will also be great for gift ideas. I might do a giveaway, so stay tuned. I'm also about to reach 10,000 subscribers, which I'm super excited about that. So give this video a big like. Thanks for spending your time with me. And until next time, have a lovely day and God bless. Bye-bye.